If you want to boost your store's revenue without more traffic, ads, or redesigning your store, this is worth your attention. Today, I'm going to show you how to increase your sales instantly using order bumps in FluentCart with just 3 steps. First, we'll enable the bump, then configure the order bump, and finally see it in action at checkout. So, what's an order bump? An order bump is that clever, high-converting offer that appears right on the checkout page. Think of it like a phone case with a phone, or a template pack with a digital course. This frictionless upselling is built directly into FluentCart's checkout flow, and when positioned correctly, it can dramatically boost your average order value by 20 to 30%. Let's set it up the smart way. Step 1. Enable order bumps. Head over to Features and Add-on in FluentCart and make sure order bumps are turned on. I've already flipped that switch, and now I can easily find it on the top bar. Click Add New. We need to give our order bump a name for internal use, so I'm gonna go for this one. Then select the product you want to offer as the bump, and this is where the strategy matters. Let's say you're selling beauty products. A smart move would be offering a protective cosmetic bag to keep everything organized. It's about making the offer feel like a natural yes. According to your requirements, handpick the right order in just a click. Hit create. Step 2. Configure the bump. Let's start by enabling the order bump so it actually shows up. The title is already there, but you can change it if you want. In the description, tell the customer exactly why they need it right now. Right after that, we have display conditions. Once enabled, you can control when the bump appears based on cart items or subtotal. Let's set up a condition for cart items first. Since we are offering our promotional product, a makeup bag, I'll set the condition to exist and handpick the product for which the order bump product will show. You can set multiple conditions and even add an item subtotal value for the order bump, which entirely depends on your workflow. Alright, on the right side, you can see the product tied to this bump, but you can change it anytime you want. That's the item that gets added instantly if they accept the order. Then we have the discount section. You have full flexibility to either set a percentage discount or a fixed amount. I recommend using a percentage discount to make it feel like a deal they can't pass up. You can even allow coupons on top and even enable free shipping to make the offer even more attractive. If you're running multiple bumps in FluentCart, the priority number decides who wins the spotlight. The lower the number, the higher the priority. Well, everything looks on point. Let's update the settings. Step 3. Review and test. Let's see how it communicates with my customers. Whenever someone tries to purchase a beauty product and move on to checkout, they'll find the order bump waiting for their call to make a part of their checkout. One tap, and it's added to their order, instantly boosting your average order value. All this happens without extra traffic, ads, or workflow changes in your store. And just like that, your store is now an upselling powerhouse with FluentCart order bumps. If you want to implement this today and start rolling in some extra revenue, grab FluentCart now. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to WPManageNinja for more WordPress and e-commerce hacks. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. We'll help you get it right. Catch me in the next one.